This entire video you're watching was created using AI. Not just short clips, but a full multi-scene video with a proper storyline, smooth transitions, and consistent visuals. And the crazy part? I didn't use any editing software at all. Everything was done inside one single tool. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to do this step by step using Topview Agent V2. Now, if you've used AI video tools before, you already know the biggest limitation. Most of them only generate very short clips, usually just a few seconds long, and then you're stuck trying to combine everything manually. That usually leads to inconsistent visuals, broken storytelling, and a workflow that just feels messy. But this is where Topview Agent V2, powered by Seedance 2.0 and Seedance 2.0 Fast, is different. It's designed specifically for long-form video creation, which means instead of thinking in short clips, you can actually think in full scenes and structured stories. And the best part is, everything happens in one place. Step 1. Getting started. To get started, head over to Topview and open the dashboard. From here, click on Start from Scratch to begin a new project. Now, one very important step is to make sure you select Video Agent V2 at the top. This version is specifically built for long-form Seedance 2.0 and Seedance 2.0 Fast videos, and without it, you won't get access to the full multi-scene workflow. Once that's selected, you're ready to start building your video. Step 2. Writing your prompt. Now this is where everything begins. And the cool thing is, you don't need a full script, you just need an idea. For example, I'm going to write a cinematic underwater documentary with a smooth camera starting above the ocean, transitioning underwater into a coral reef with realistic lighting, fish movement, and a calm, immersive atmosphere. You can now upload reference images or videos here. I've generated an image using Nano Banana Pro. This is super useful if you want consistent style, town-specific characters, or a certain visual look. Then below you'll see your settings. Let's go through them quickly. Model, keep it on standard. This uses Seedance 2.0 or Seedance 2.0 Fast. Mode, you can choose standard or fast. Aspect ratio, I'll go with 16:9 for YouTube. Duration, you can set how long your scene will be. Once everything looks good, go ahead and hit generate. Step 3, communicating with the agent. Instead of immediately generating a video, the AI agent first creates a structured plan. It breaks your idea into multiple scenes with detailed descriptions, essentially acting like a storyboard. What makes this powerful is that you can interact with the agent directly. You can refine your scenes by giving instructions, like improving visual style, adjusting actions, or making the transitions smoother. This process feels less like using a tool and more like working with a creative assistant that helps shape your video step by step. Step 4, multi-scene workflow. Once your scenes are ready, you'll see them organized in a multi-scene workflow. This allows you to plan multiple scenes and generate them as a queue, which is what enables longer narrative videos. Each scene has its own prompt and duration, and you can edit them individually to fine-tune the result. There's also an enhance feature that automatically improves your prompts by adding more cinematic detail, including camera movement and shot composition. If you want to extend your story, you can easily add more scenes, making it possible to create videos of almost any length. Step 5, generate video clips. Once everything looks good, you can start generating your video. The platform will create multiple clips based on your scenes, processing them one by one in the queue. This means your entire video is being produced automatically in sequence. You don't need to manage timelines or switch between tools, which makes the whole process much more efficient compared to traditional workflows. Step 6, extend clips and build longer videos. If you want to continue a scene or make your video longer, you can use the extend clip feature. Just add a new prompt describing how the scene should continue, and the AI will generate an extension that blends naturally with the original clip. This is how you can gradually build longer and more detailed videos. Step 7. Combine into one long-form video. Once all your clips are ready, you can combine them into a single long-form video. The platform automatically arranges everything in sequence, creating a smooth and continuous flow. When you play it back, it feels like one cohesive video rather than a collection of separate clips, which is what makes this workflow so powerful for storytelling. Use cases. You can use this for a wide range of content, including YouTube storytelling, marketing videos, product demos, educational content, or even social media videos. Basically, anything that requires structured video creation can be done here. My honest opinion is that this is one of the first AI tools that actually makes long-form video creation practical. The biggest advantage is the workflow, where everything from idea to final output happens in one place. The multi-scene system and storyboard planning make it much easier to create videos that feel structured and professional. My main tip would be to be as detailed as possible with your prompts, because that directly impacts the quality of your results. If you want to try this out, check the link in the description. With the Business Annual Plan, you get 365 days of unlimited Seedance 2.0 and Seedance 2.0 fast usage, which is a huge benefit if you're creating content regularly. So yeah, this is one of the first tools that actually makes long-form AI video creation simple. Let me know what you think. Would you use something like this? And if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.